Hello friends, welcome to my sample paper part 6 and I've created one whole playlist about all my sample papers, so the link is on the I button above you. You can see my playlist from there. Okay, so now we are going to start question number 15. Okay, this is the question of case studies. Okay, so I'm not reading the whole paragraph, we are just starting on the question. So let's see what the first question says. It says, how much cloth material will be required to cover two big domes of each of radius 2.5 meters? Okay. So basically this is this question is asking you that there are two domes basically, means two cylindrical domes basically, means two hemispherical domes. Okay. Because there are two hemispherical domes. So, it is asking you that how much cloth material will be required to cover the hemispherical door around. Okay. So now you only think that if you have a dome, from where would you cover it? Means from the side and from the top and bottom. You only think. Obviously, we would cover the side of the dome, right? We would only be clothing the side of the dome. So that is known as what is it? Essay of dome. Okay, essay of hemispherical dome. Hemispherical dome. Okay, but it says that there are two domes, so it becomes into two. Okay, so now what is the surface area of a hemisphere? Okay, it is 2 pi r square. Okay, so essay of hemisphere, sorry, I'm not that good at spellings. Hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Okay, now there are two domes, so obviously it would be into 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 pi r square. Okay, so we have to take pi here, 22 by 7. So here it is given that the radius is 2.5 centimeters. That is 2.5 meters. The radius is given. According to question, radius is equal to 2.5 meter. Okay, and it is given in the question only here. So 2 multiplied 22 by 7, 2.5 whole square. Okay, I have to do the simplification part here. So let's see how much I can do here. Make it a bracket. 22 by 7, here it would be 2.5 whole square. So it would be, I guess, 6.25. So this and this will be get cut, and this and this will be get cut. So it would be 71, 78. This and this and this. So 78.5, I guess so. Approximate 75.57. Okay, meter square. So I have to just do the calculation part here, and you have to remember the S of the hemisphere. Okay, this is 2 pi r square. Okay, so now we have got that how much cloth is required to cover two big domes. Okay, this much cloth, this much is the area of cloth. So now it says, now let's see what's the next question. Let me open the question. Okay, so it is saying that write the formula to find the volume of a cylindrical pillar. Okay, so let me move the page because there is no space left here. Okay, second part. It says that we have to derive a formula of finding the volume of a cylindrical pillar. That is given that the pillar is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, cylinder shape pillar there is a. So you have to write the formula of finding the volume of the cylinder, basically the cylinder pillar. Okay, so now basically you have to just mark the formula for the volume of cylinder, because it is given that the shape of the pillar is nothing but it is a cylindrical shape. So now you have to just think what is the formula of a volume of cylinder. Now we all know that volume of cylinder is equal to what? Pi r square h. And this is our answer because I have to just put in the formula for the volume of the cylinder. So the third part, it is saying find the lateral surface area of two pillars if height of one pillar is, where it has gone, the height of one pillar is 7 meter and the radius of the base is, and radius of the base is what? It is not clear. Radius of the base is 1.4 meter. Okay, so basically this question is asking that you have to find the lateral surface area, which is also known as LSA or CSA, you could say it. Okay, to basically find the LSA or CSA, whatever you like, the lateral surface area or the curved surface area, right, is the same. To find the lateral surface area of two pillars. Okay, there are two pillars. I have to find the lateral surface area and height of pillar. Height of pillar. It is what? It is 7 meter. And it is saying, and radius of base. Radius of base is what? Saying 1.4 meter. Okay, I have to find the LSR, whatever say, of this kind of pillar who has height of 7 centimeter and it has the radius of the base as 1.4 meter. Okay, so in this question it is pretty obvious that the pillar is in the shape of a cylinder, because if you see that, see, every 3D shape has an height, right? But it is given at the radius of the base. Radius of the base means the base is round, and that's what we say radius. See, radius is only associated to round, circle shape, O shapes. Okay, so there is only one 3D figure out of all we know, the LS and CSA, which has a round, which is a circular base, which is a cylinder. Okay, so basically we have to just find the LSA of a cylinder, okay, with the dimension is given. But it is said that we have to find the LSA, CSA, whatever say, of two such pillars who have height at 7 meter and as 1.4 meter. So I have to just put the formula CSA or LSA, whatever you have to write. CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RHIS. So it is right, I have right. Okay, but we have to find of 2. So CSA of two cylinders, okay, is equal to what? 2 into 2 pi RH. You can take out common if you want to, or it's totally upon you. So I have to take by 22 by 7 only. It will be 4 multiply 22 by 7 multiplied, it would be 1.4 multiplied the height, which is 7. So this and this will be cut. I can make it into fractions if you want to. The video is going a little longer, so because this is the last question. 2 and this will cut from 5. So 162 and 123.2 meter square. Okay, so after doing the calculations, you would get 123.2 meter square. Okay, so means the LSA or CSA of two such pillars with height 7 meter and 1.4 meter will be 123.2 meter square. So this is our answer. Friends, if you really like my video, if it really helped you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.